Welcome back to Legal Marketing Moments. Today we're going to talk for just a couple minutes about the need to let your consumers of your content, whether that's a podcast, a blog post, an article, a video, whatever that might be. It could even be a presentation that you're giving. We need to get to the point because people are not very patient when it comes to consuming content from others. They want to know right up front what's in it for them. Everybody's busy. You're busy. I'm busy. They're extremely busy. So they are no different than you are. They want people to get to the point. So my recommendation for you is to let people know right up front what it is you're going to talk about. Wait to introduce yourself until after you've done that. And there are ways to do that in podcasts there are a couple different ways, obviously, that you can do podcasts, but give it to them right up front and then introduce yourself. And also, if it's a blog post or an article, put that right up front too. If you want to call it your bottom line, you don't have to call it anything. Just summarize it right up front. And that is your invitation. Same with a video. That is your invitation to consume the rest of that content. If we take too long up front, letting them know everything about us, everything, all that contact information, what we do for a living, what is significant about our practices, then we risk losing them. So my recommendation to you is whatever content you're creating, make sure that you are giving people an idea right from the beginning of what you're going to be talking about. And once they decide that it is an interesting topic, then they might stay around. If it's not an interesting topic for them, then they can self-select out of your world. And that's okay, because you want to be talking to people who really are the best consumers, the most targeted, the most focused consumers of your content. All right, that's it for today. I'm Nancy Myrland with Myrland Marketing and Social Media. If you want to get a hold of me, I'm at nancy@myrlandmarketing.com, and that's MYRLAND marketing.com. All right, take care. Talk to you next time. Bye.